Hi guys, my name is Danielle Davis and this is my website. So the title is Nonprofit for Worldwide Charity. It is all about ways people can donate. Up top I have all my different sections that you can go to. So if we scroll down, these are my three sections. They're donate money, donations through service, and donations through food. For donate money, I thought it was really inspiring to show people how they can donate in just the simplest ways, like helping with school and health, and just like how a small amount can make a difference. Donations through service is another great option. I wanted to inspire people to help with access service and really encourage people to do this. And then donations through food, if you have like a little extra food or something, every donation really counts. I wanted to make that a big point, that anything helps for these people. And then at the bottom is my call to action. My call to action is all about spreading love, awareness, and helping out and giving back to people. So if we go to the top, we can look at my design. So my main color was blue. That was my dominant color, the dark blue at the very top. And then I also used some light blue, and then my complementary color was purple. I chose these colors because I thought they really went well together and complemented each other. I like the lighter blue for some of the sections, and then the white coloring throughout the page to really make it stand out. I wanted to use lighter colors in some of the background area to make it really look like a nice design. So the purpose of these colors was mainly for my target audience as well. The persona I'm focusing on is 55-year-old women or moms located in Utah that are looking to help. And I thought these would be eye-catching colors, and I just wanted to keep it simple and easy to read for everybody. For the font, I wanted a bold color, but also a really simple color for people to read. So I chose Open Sans for this, and I thought it was great for my audience. And then the logo is at the top left right over here. And I just wanted it tiny and simple with the N for nonprofit. So the hardest part overall was the CSS styling. Throughout the semester, I really learned a lot about styling and just formatting and stuff like that. So I thought that was the hardest part overall, but I learned a lot about CSS and different things I could do for my web page. Thanks for watching.